Everyone wants to be a millionaire, but most people think they need a huge salary to get there. What if I told you that the real secret isn't how much you earn, but how early you start? Here's the truth. Getting rich isn't about some lucky stock pick. It's about time, and as a teenager. You have the most valuable asset in the world. Time is on your side, and it's an advantage that no billionaire can buy back. The single most powerful move you can make for your financial future is to start investing as early as possible. Most adults wish they could go back and tell their teenage selves this one simple fact. When you're young, you don't need a six-figure income to build wealth. You just need to start. Time is the magic ingredient that turns small, consistent investments into a massive fortune. Every year you wait to begin is a year of compounding growth you can never get back. Think of it this way. The money you invest at 16 has decades longer to grow than money invested at 36. That's a massive head start that makes building wealth almost effortless if you just begin now. Your age isn't a limitation. It's your superpower. The first practical step is to make saving a non-negotiable habit. You need to save at least 20% of every single dollar you earn. It doesn't matter if that dollar comes from a part-time job flipping burgers, an allowance from your parents, birthday money from your grandma, or a few bucks you made mowing lawns. Every dollar counts. If you make $50, you save $10. If you make $20, you save $4. This isn't about the amount. It's about building the discipline. This habit trains your brain to prioritize your future self. By making saving an automatic reflex, you're building the foundation for a lifetime of wealth creation. Too many people wait until they're making real money to start saving, but by then, they've missed out on the most powerful years of growth. Once you have that savings, don't let it just sit in a bank account, losing value to inflation. Your money needs to go to work for you. The smartest and simplest way to do this is to invest consistently in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Forget trying to pick the next hot stock. That's just gambling. Index funds, like those that track the S&P 500, let you own a small piece of hundreds of the largest companies in the world. This strategy is low risk because you're diversified. You're not betting on one company to succeed. You're betting on the entire market to grow over the long term, which it has consistently done for over a century. It's the proven path to building long-term wealth without the stress of stock picking. Now, let's talk about the magic behind all of this: compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the process where your investment returns start earning their own returns. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and slow, but as it picks up more snow, it gets bigger and moves faster. Your money works the same way. The money you earn from your investments gets added to your original principal. And then that new, larger amount starts earning interest. Over decades, this effect becomes incredibly powerful, growing your money exponentially, not linearly. Understanding this concept is the key to unlocking true wealth. To make that snowball grow as fast as possible, you must reinvest all of your returns. When your investments pay out dividends, don't cash them out. Put them right back into the investment. When your portfolio grows in value, don't be tempted to pull money out. Let it ride. This is called a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, and it's one of the most powerful wealth accelerators available. Every dollar you reinvest is another soldier working to make you richer. It ensures your compounding engine is running at full speed, turning that small snowball into an unstoppable avalanche of wealth over time. While your money is growing, you need to focus on growing your most important asset: you. Investing in yourself by building high-income skills is just as crucial as investing in the market. Learn skills that are in high demand, like coding, digital marketing, graphic design, or using AI tools. These skills will dramatically increase your earning potential. The more you earn, the more you can invest. If you can go from making $200 a month to $1,000 a month because you learned a valuable skill, you've just supercharged your investment plan. Your skills are the fuel for your investment engine. The world is full of people promising you'll get rich overnight. Ignore them. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes, risky crypto gambles, and anyone selling a secret system. Real, lasting wealth isn't built in a day. It's built over years of discipline and patience. The boring path is the one that actually works. Consistency is your weapon. Patience is your shield. Slow and steady doesn't just win the race. It's the only way to finish. People who chase fast money are the ones who end up with no money. You're playing the long game, and that's why you're going to win. You might think that investing small amounts is pointless, but you'd be wrong. Let's do the math. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 16 with an average market return, you could have over $100,000 before you even turn 30. If you increase that amount as your income grows, that number could easily be hundreds of thousands. Small, regular amounts are the key. It's not about one big investment. It's about thousands of small, consistent actions over time. These small deposits are the seeds that grow into a forest of wealth. By starting early, you're not just building money, you're buying freedom. Investing early gives you financial freedom and options that most adults can only dream of. Imagine being in your late 20s and not having to worry about money. You could travel the world, start your own business, or pursue a passion without being tied to a job you hate. You'll have the power to choose your own path, not have it chosen for you by financial necessity. This is the ultimate prize, a life lived on your own terms. The formula is simple, and it has never changed. It's the combination of time, consistency, and reinvestment. Time is your unfair advantage as a teen. Consistency is the discipline of investing regularly, no matter what. Reinvestment is the accelerator that makes your money grow exponentially. This is the formula to becoming a millionaire young. It's not a secret, and it's not luck. It's a proven plan that works for anyone who is willing to start. The secret: start now. Consistent. And let time do the heavy lifting. Follow 4 more smart money moves they won't teach you in school.